This is my recent Level 4 California Superbike class at the Las Vegas Speedway. A little shameless self-promotion of the movie while I'm walking through the airport. Tax-deductible fun. You can tell you're in Vegas. Oh yeah. And here's my rental car while I'm in Vegas. Figured might as well get something a little sporty. Convertible if I want. I don't know, this will even hold one dead hooker in this trunk. Pulling into Vegas. It's one of the few places where you have like palm trees right here and mountains in the background, and you're basically surrounded by desert. This is the old Hard Rock, now a Virgin Hotel here in Las Vegas. It's the second Virgin Hotel I've been in the last couple months. Pretty nice little place. Looks a little bit different. They kind of lost the smell of stripper perfume lotion that the Hard Rock used to have, which I kind of miss. It was kind of gave it character. And the bathroom, the shower, they've got a old wooden stool in case you want to tell young kids how safe the world used to be. What a hotel. I check in with only 2 shirts, and dry cleaning dropped off a couple more that are clearly not mine, and my name is not Mario. Looking for a race course, you basically have to get all your gear, and it will all fit in one bag. There's all the leather, the boots, the helmet, the gloves, and the Under Armour ready to go. And nice guys finish last. And there's Caesar's Palace. Really is quite a building going by. It's massive, my goodness. The fleet of bikes ready for Superbike Day 1. The mountains in the back. There's even some fighter jets from the local base flying overhead. So what you see in the upper left is the follow cam. That's my coach behind me. The upper right is the cam bike, which has all the things for like tack and throttle and brake. Or the big overall view is the bike cam, and that's the one that's going to be done on normal time. That's the actual GoPro on my bike, one of the last rounds. This is going to be the fastest. You'll see the follow cam and the cam bike, they fall behind, so I have to edit those to keep them up with the bottom picture, and the sound you hear will be consistently from the bike cam. You can see here where that's somewhat of a hairpin, which usually I suck at, but I'm getting a lot better. You can see my coach getting out in front of me there, kind of leading me on through to make sure I've got my lines right. How those guys move that fast without even moving their body, it just looks effortless the way they do it. Here's the back straight where you can get up a little bit of speed. You just got to be ready coming into the next turn. And this is one I struggled with a lot because you have to go out far enough to be able to come and swoop back inside to that entrance point right there, and then be able to exit wide enough so you're using the whole lane. And this one was a bit of a challenge too. You got to really carry a bunch of speed and then just lay off the throttle and just let it kind of coast around because it's a tightening radius. And then you get back into it. And you can see the track outline on the cam bike up there. So coming around here, you got the last couple turns, and right there on one of the last rounds, I actually put a knee down, and it felt like the bike wanted to go horizontal, but my knee kind of bounced it back on the tires. But hitting back into the front straight, they cover up the speedometer, which is actually pretty clever on the dash, but when I was on the cam bike, I think I hit around 100. So then you get off eventually after 2 days of it and roll the bikes back into position. See Nice blue skies, mountains in the background, and there's the California Superbike School trailer. And just rolling in home. Hell yeah, I survived 2 days, California Superbike School. Fucking blast. And at the end, you get your 2 booklets with all the notes from what the coaches and consultants told you to work on, and you get your certificate. So these are 2 more days of level 4, which I think makes 3 or 4 days total level 4 I've done now. Like Monica Lewinsky, yes, I realize there's more to life than what you're able to do with your knees, but it is a sign that I'm getting better, that I was able to consistently drag my knee on the pavement, and that just means I'm coming in hotter, I'm getting the lean angles I need, I'm using the right form that isn't reaching for it, but it's just hitting there naturally. So that's a great sign for advancement. It's such a fun trip. Always feels good to get home and get the fur ball back. Feeling way better than the last time I came back from Vegas, which was followed by a 4 a.m. shots, 2 girls on the shoulders, dropped one on her head and torqued my back night. Subscribe to my YouTube channel below and let's celebrate turning fuel and air into adrenaline.